All right, this is a test of StreamYard. I'll give this a second here to get set up. Let's see. All right, give me a second here. Let's see. Let me go ahead and pop out the chat. I won't be on too long. This was recommended or mentioned by one of our friends, Steve, from the chat. So if anybody's out there, go ahead and say hello. Let's do this. All right, that's better. Okay, let me go back to the let's see if I can screen share this. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's do that. I guess we'll do application window. Let's do this. All right. All right. All right, STS Tech, hello. How are you? Guess I can just comment here. You hear loud and crystal clear. I can see that you can see the video. Very good. There's a slight delay. I think they said about 10-second delay, which isn't too bad. The screen sharing option. Let's see. Let me go ahead and leave the chat on the top here. Yeah, this was unscheduled. So those of you who watch this on a replay, this is by no means a professional review of this. Just a possible option for Hangouts. We took a look at yeah, I almost said jujitsu. Jujitsu. No, we did not take a look at jujitsu. We took a look at Jitsi. Jujitsu. Yeah. Hello, Jan. All these weird names. This is StreamYard test, obviously. And this is what you see is what I see. So let's see what we have here. Okay, this changes the screen sharing, I believe. Okay, that's cool. And full screen share. So we got full screen, partial. Yeah, Arnold doing jujitsu. Oh man. I got up a little bit too early today, didn't I? All right, so this is what StreamYard, the screen sharing of the application window itself. I don't know. I guess it's okay. It's still brand new. If we go, okay, it gives me how long I've been on. 4 minutes. 6 people watching. Ooh, it's a riot. 6 people. And broadcast, comments, banners, brand. Okay. Go default. Customize the logo. If you go with the paid ones, right now we leave StreamYard up there. I guess that's okay. Private chat. We'll just stick with the comments. Let's see, mute. Stop cam here at the bottom, settings, Stop screen, stop sharing. Let me, let's see here. Banner. There we go. So now we can hide the banner. We can show the banner. Hey. Okay. I guess we hide the banner for now. I think we can change it. All right. So this is removed from stream. Removed from stream. This was double. The usual functions here: mute, stop cam settings, stop screen, stop sharing. This is public, as you see here. 7 people watching. Yeah, I mean, from what I see, it's, it's, I guess it's newbie friendly. Pretty basic stuff. STS says I'm coming in loud and clear. Very good. I don't know if it automatically sets the volume. Test. Yeah, you can see the volume mic input move on its own. I don't like that part. I like to set the volume myself. That's the only thing I don't like about these. This and Jitsu or Jiu-Jitsu. So there's my banner there. Hide it. There is the previous banner. I can go back and forth, but overall, yeah, not half bad, ST. I would have to agree. Go back to the comments. Let me go to my YouTube page. Looks the same to me. Okay. Let me play it. I went full screen on the YouTube. And yeah, I'd say it looks good. Not bad at all. Yeah, it looks good. So yeah, I would say it doesn't look too bad. For a test anyway. Yeah, it's new. It's definitely a beta. I mean, you do have to sign up, with an account and an email, which I would rather not. But for a test, why not? Well, I guess I can hide. Okay. We got here. Okay. Oh, that's cool. It brings up your logo. There's Jan. Hi, Jan. That is so cool. I like that. Yeah. Nice. That is very cool. It is not laggy. Very good. Yeah, I think it's okay. This might be something to play with besides Jiu-Jitsu. Besides Jitsi. I might take a look at Signal also. But I just got an email. Welcome to StreamYard. I guess we can stream to Facebook also, which I will not do. There's a official StreamYard group. Ask your questions, learn more. Okay, all right. Well, thank you, StreamYard. Hey, CJ. There must be a million stream venues now. I don't know. CJ, let's see. How do I invite people? Oh, right here. Well, there you go. If you would like to join, I won't be on too much longer. There is the stream. code. If you would like to join this chat, stream, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, this was unscheduled. I just got home not too long ago and had something to eat before I run out to the grocery store, to the pharmacy, pick up a few things. But there's the code there for StreamYard if you would like to join this unscheduled. Really, Toss? Unscheduled? How shocking. Yeah, I know. Join this unscheduled test of StreamYard. Hello, Ben. Before I forget, thank you all who have contributed this month to the channel. I don't think I sent out any emails, but you guys know who you are. So thank you, PayPal supporters and so on. No, Johan, I do not have a cold, actually. I'm okay. Does this sound like I have a cold? Jan is on your phone and your Manjaro is far from stable. Ah, geez. Fine. Yeah, I think the next thing I'll be installing to test, a full install test, will be Lubuntu. Then maybe take a look at Debian. I still need to schedule, get in touch with the Zorin OS team to schedule an interview. If anybody would like to help sponsor that show, that potential live show interview, please do. Hello, Gnostic. How are you? So stop sharing. I just have the mic, the camera. There I am right there. Anyway, just going to do it this way. Something different. There we go. You just joined? Okay. Where are you? Unless there's a delay. Oh, there you are. Okay, I got to add you.
Hey, Toss.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I have to add you. There's like a box here, add you to the stream. Now I see. Okay, cool. Hi, Ben.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you fine.
All right, cool. Yeah, it's my sister's birthday today.
Well, tell her happy birthday from the Total OS team.
Yes, I will. She's 23 today, I think.
Well, happy birthday, Ben's sister.
Michaela is her name. She's not over here yet, but she's planning to come by for a nice dinner and that sort of thing. So.
Right. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
There's CJ, partially. I got to add him. Hang on, at the stream. There we go.
Howdy, CJ.
What's up, Mike?
Hello, everyone. I'm just figuring this out now.
Okay, that's cool. So am I. Split screen, nah.
Split screen.
Triple screen.
Triple screen.
Sideways.
Sideways, up and down.
Yeah, that's what she said.
It says you're in the show.
Yes, you are, as you can see. See, look, I got the camera on my monitor. See?
Yeah.
So you.
I'm on a Mac.
I see it.
Yeah. So I figure I do it this way just for something different. Obviously, I'm here, so.
Yeah. Even though the display name says Gentoo, I'm not on that today. I'm on Mac OS today.
Well, it's going by what you logged in as. So.
Yeah. Oh, Ben Gentoo, I see.
Yeah. Right there, yeah. So let's see. Remove. I don't know. This is let me go back. Okay, so this is the normal one. Camera. This is a two-way split or three with. This is a three-way split, but I don't like that. This is okay.
That's the CNN split.
CNN. Breaking news from CNN: Ben Gentoo has gone back to Gentoo.
Mac OS.
Mac OS. There's another split here, and I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is okay. I don't like
Not
the
as
fact that it automatically adjusts my mic volume. I don't know how to bypass that. But yeah, this is okay. Yeah.
would
Yeah,
you
I would
say
say this is probably easy to learn. Yeah.
Yeah, I would say easier than Jitsi, maybe.
oh really?
I don't know. I mean, Jitsi is still somewhat. I mean, I've done 2 streams off of Jitsi. It's still new to me. The one advantage Jitsi has when it works is you can record to the Dropbox when it works. It didn't work the other day. This one, I don't believe it has a recording option unless you use the paid version. Maybe in the paid version. This is free. And I believe with this free one, I thought I saw up to 6 invites or 6 total people. So, yeah. We'll just leave it that way. There's a StreamYard logo here at the top. But I believe if you pay for this, I could put my own Total OS logo. But which, I don't know. I have to check and see what their pricing is.
Yeah.
This is free, Johan. Yes. Yeah, it's free for up to. I actually don't know the time limit on this. Maybe there isn't one yet. This is a beta. Here's here at the top left. There's a little ducky thingy. I guess that's your logo. Beta. There. So yeah. So this is private chat, CJ. Yeah. Let me go back to the comments. Yeah. I like the fact that there's a private chat.
Hello, Cat Gamer. How are you?
Hello, Cat Gamer. End broadcast, the top right. Which you can't see, but it's right. Let me go right there. There's some other things there. You can see that there, comments, banners, brand, private. So
you have more control of the show, pretty much.
This has a few little extras. Let me add Gnostic before he. There we go. Yeah, this adds a few little extras, like you see here: private comment banners, the branding. I guess that's with the paid. There's a private chat. I can switch, views here. I don't know if I need 7 of them, but I guess it's nice to play with. I think I like this one. Other controls down here at the bottom, right there, as you see.
There is a delay.
Stop setting. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they said there's a 10-second delay.
At least.
Yeah.
I was flipping back and forth.
Yeah. Yeah. Which is not too bad for 10 seconds. So.
Now, between us, I don't think there's a delay because I've spoken and then you have responded immediately. So
Yeah.
No,
on YouTube, you're saying.
I think on YouTube.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay.
Yeah, there's delay on YouTube.
There's the
Always-
live. We've been live for 19 minutes, 12 viewers. But yeah, there's a delay on YouTube, which I kind of figured.
Yeah.
So but this is not bad for what it looks like, for what it does. I'll have to check the website again to see what the paid option gives you besides more people. But like I said, the Jitsi. I keep saying Jitsi like jujitsu. No, but the Jitsi one gives you, when it works, the ability to record to the Dropbox. It didn't work yesterday or day before. I lost track, but
So it only gives you 20 minutes, and then you gotta, unless you pay for it.
this one, I believe, I'm not sure what it gives me. If it's 20 minutes, they were almost up. But let me see what happens. 19 minutes, 57 seconds, and 20 minutes. And we're still going. So I guess this one is not 20 minutes. I thought I said, since this is a beta, it's unlimited for the freebies also. I think that's what I saw, but I could be wrong. 20 minutes is limited to the I did see something that said 20 minutes, but I forget what it was. Anyway.
Well, you're past the 20-minute mark now.
Yeah, it's 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah. So, but so far it looks stable. Like I said, still a beta. Just beware of that. If this stream breaks, I believe I saw an option to reconnect, which is nice. You know, with the Hangouts, if the stream breaks, I'm gone, but the stream keeps on going with the blank screen. So, of course, Hangouts will be gone here at the end of the month. You know, the funny part, that happened a couple months ago, and that broken stream got demonetized. It's like a double knife in the gut. Say thanks, YouTube. Yeah. Go figure.
There's not many options in the settings.
Well, they're all down. Yeah. The settings you'd have to go and it's pretty basic stuff.
You probably have more options.
Not for us, yeah.
Yeah, maybe for the person doing it. But I'll just show you here. These are the options.
This looks like the same thing I got.
Okay. And there's some options here on the side.
Yeah.
Comments, banner, brand, private. Yeah. I mean, for what it is for free, you know, it's not bad. I mean, maybe the paid one gives you more. I think for something like this, I think, like I said, it maxes out at 6 people. So, you know, there it is now. The color's better, but anyway, it's not bad. It seems stable. That's the number one thing, is it's stable. So, so that's the full screen there. 4-way. I'm not sure what this does here. Okay, that brings it there to the right, like in Jitsi.
And and the difference in Jitsi, you can set this up. You're personally how you view it when you yourself, but you're the only one that has this option here.
Yeah, these options here I'm showing you right now. This is exclusive to StreamYard. These different views. In Jitsi, you either have the bar, you know, the right grid, or you can change it to a tile like Zoom. But this gives you a little more, like a few more options. So, that the banners gives you more banners. So, for example, this here. And there's another banner there, which is nice. I guess that's in the free one.
Cool.
Branding, which I'd have to pay for that, I guess.
Maybe an option to throw up an avatar.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see one. I'm just wondering. If
I don't know. I'll have to look at their website more. But like I said, this is just a brief test. So, yeah, from what I see, it's still a beta. It looks stable. There's nothing here to really confuse anyone using it. Leave Studio down here, the bottom. Invite, share screen, settings, stop cam, and mute. Similar to what you would see in Jitsi or Zoom. So let me share this again. And there we go. That's share screen. Pretty basic stuff.
Of course.
So I like the banner part. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I think it's okay. So this may be one on my list besides Jitsi.
There you go.
Cool. I like the fact on the top left it tells me how long we've been on, how many people watching. Nice little added touch. So yeah, if anybody else is out there and wants to say hello, say hello. Running this in Ubuntu Mate, by the way. There's nothing to download. This is all web-based. There's nothing to install. I just had to sign in with my YouTube account, which I was kind of leery, but I did it anyway. So so yeah, it works fine. I'll stay off for a little bit longer.
That's good.
We'll wrap this up. So let me change here. Yeah, I think I like.
That's a great view
Yeah,
there.
this is a nice professional touch for the freebie version. Yeah, there's like a split screen.
You
And
could
left-
literally mix together a segmented show if everyone
Yeah.
had like
Right.
a.
Right. Yeah, I think this is cool.
It is very
I'm
cool.
actually impressed for the free version. They give you these options. I saw the interview. The young man who did this with his. I guess he's an electrical engineer or something. Go figure. But okay, there's the four-way grid there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And there's the full screen. So yeah, this is what you see is what I see, and it looks clean, looks stable. Very nice.
Awesome.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, this is courtesy of our friend Steve's very own. He seems to be the guinea pig nowadays. See, I'll let him do it first. I mean, that way, if he loses his mind, I won't have to do the same thing. You know, no, I'm just kidding, Steve. If you watch this,
How did you hear about
Steve,
StreamYard?
Steve,
Oh, okay.
Steve mentioned it. Yeah, yeah. I was looking at a bunch of different options, and he came across this, and I told him I would take a look. I think he mentioned it Saturday or yesterday, and I thought, okay, I'll take a look at it. And yeah.
Have you tried anything that you just immediately didn't like and you won't go any further?
I'm trying to think. Not yet. I don't think I have yet to where I first looked at it. I said, nah, not yet. If I have, I can't remember.
I'm guessing I got to go in my browser and enable my camera.
I'm not. You don't have the settings function here at the bottom?
I do, but I got it shut off in my browser.
Oh, okay, yeah. That'll definitely do it. Yes, there's an option
plus
there. Yeah.
I got to pull the tape off of it too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there. It's telling me this page is accessing your camera and microphone. It just went out, but yeah. But yeah, I would say this is newbie friendly.
Yeah, it is.
Hello, Farron.
Yeah, so I've decided I might go back to Ubuntu Mate and maybe stick with that because all these Gen 2 and other things are just constantly driving me nuts.
I think what you do, Ben, is a great learning process to learn about Linux, but for like everyday usage, it's just not worth it.
It's not worth it now.
No.
So I think all these high advanced things, I'll just run them in VMs.
So yeah, Ubuntu Mate, people say it looks bland. Well, change the way it looks, dude. I mean, for
if
sake.
it gets boring, then I'll just change the theme or something.
Yeah, add something. I mean, come on, it's 2019. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, look, it's low
nowadays, those high advanced things are not any faster than they are a pre-built system.
Yeah. You know, I just realized with the chat here in StreamYard, I don't need the chat for YouTube, do I?
I guess not.
Yeah, I'm so used to popping out the chat, but this is like integrated. This is cool. Yeah,
you want to make sure you see what they're saying.
Yeah.
True.
I mean, it's good to be a good host.
Yeah. Well, I'm curious. Type something in the YouTube chat. I want to see if it pops up here. Just say hi. See if it comes in here. Yeah. It shows up here. Cool. So I don't need two chats.
Oh, you have a different one. You're getting something different then.
Yeah, there's a internal chat. between
Yeah.
all the people in
Yeah,
the
mine has
stream.
yeah, it's right here. Yeah, mine's right here, built in the. See it? See the chat? Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were asking somebody to say something on YouTube.
Right. Right. I want to see if it comes into my internal chat, and it does. It ties into YouTube. Yeah.
A YouTube account or your YouTube chat?
I had to log in with my YouTube account, and I think that's why this.
Oh, so
this
we
makes
won't
yeah.
see that.
Well, see, you're getting all that, but we're not.
Yeah.
We
Right.
got an internal chat, separate
Right.
internal.
Right. I believe this is just for the originator of the broadcast.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Which is very convenient.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Hi, Z. Z, if
Hey,
you want to join us, let me see here. Where's the invite? Here we go. I won't be on too much longer, but yeah. Z, if you would like to join, this is a test of StreamYard.
Yeah,
So
it's a nice system. Yeah.
yeah. See, if you want to join, you'll be the last to invite. I got other things to do today, but this is courtesy of our friend Steve from Steve's very own.
Yeah.
Thank you,
He's a
Steve,
cool guy.
for being the guinea pig.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is totally. I mean, Jitsi. Jeez, I don't have Chuck Norris and Bruce Lee on my mind.
Brazilian Jitsi.
Yeah, but Jitsi, among others, was mentioned. I think last year. I just got too lazy to try it because Hangouts has not been expired yet, but it goes August 1st. It's gone. So I figured now it's time. So Jitsi is a possibility. I like this. So far, this and Jitsi, this is actually cool. I just got to find a way to record this. I guess OBS will just do it. So
If you can't record it, that's a game changer, I suppose.
yeah. I guess it saves it on YouTube server. I just have to download it later if I want to do any editing. But Farron says you got snap phobia. Or are you one of those that doesn't mind the Chromium APT being replaced by Snap? Oh, nah. I use what works, Farron. If it's a standard app package or Snap, I use what works. So I don't really have a problem with that. You know, it's one of those things where, I mean, this is open for debate, Snap packages and apps, or is there privacy on the web and all that? And,
who's to say they're not going to sneak in some kind of spyware in the Snap?
well, that's
whatever. Yeah,
well, that's the thing. That's the thing. Obviously, if it's spyware, then it's no good. I mean, it's
right.
not. If it's just a package with a different name and it works, who cares?
Maybe they should include a terms of service in the snaps.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or EULA. Or whatever.
Yeah. But yeah, it's you know, I use what works. I use what works. So, you know, I think I used. I don't think I installed Chromium from the Snap Store. Did I? I can't remember. But yeah. You know, usually what I'll do is I'll go to the Synaptic Package Manager, the standard package manager to install something. I'll do that first, and if it doesn't work or it's buggy or unstable, then the snaps or Flatpaks or the app images. I kind of like app images. Those are my backups. I'll do the standard install first, either through the Synaptic or through the terminal. And if that doesn't work, then I'll go to the Snap Store. Z is backstage. Okay. Are you backstage at the Elton John concert, or?
Oh, he's got to be. You got to let him in.
Oh, there you are. Oh, okay, sorry. The screen was the thing was hiding. There we go. All right. Sorry, Z. I'm still there. Yeah, I had this hiding.
Hi, you can't see me though for some reason.
All right, Z, you are there, as you see here.
Can you hear me?
Your mic is very low.
That'll be. I've just installed Debian, so 2 seconds.
Unlike mine, Mike, it's very loud.
He's loud on yours?
No.
Now there you go. That should be better.
Ah, there we go. Excellent.
giving-
Yeah,
How are
nice.
you, sir?
Yeah,
I'm giving
and
him a hard time.
As
Okay.
per usual, these obscure programs can't use my new cam that I've got.
Oh,
It's a camera going through an Elgato streamer thing, and for some reason it
have you
doesn't like it.
tried logging into this through
Let
Chrome?
me see if I can.
Yeah.
No, it hasn't got.
Yeah, Chrome seems to give us the least amount of issues, Z, for whatever reason.
Howdy, Zeb.
Hi, Ben. You all right, mate?
Yeah.
I'm fed up with Gen 2. I
I'm
I'm
have,
here, by the way. I just have the camera pointing at my monitor.
Pointing the wrong way, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
I got to point it at the monitor just so you guys see what I'm nothing sneaky here. So, yeah, it's all there. Yeah.
yeah. You see, Zeb, TJ Wolf is now asking for help with it, and it's driving me crazy.
I'm sure you'll get it sorted sooner or later, mate.
Yeah, here's the thing. I mean, helping that guy is like helping insanity. I mean, he always wants help with something, and I'm just like, about ready to rip my hair out.
Yeah, but you're a good guy, so that's why you help people.
Yeah, I know. I just, he's running on a 4-core Sandy Bridge computer, and it's just like, oh my God.
Yeah,
ever
it's
heard-
taken a while.
You ever heard that term? Some people are beyond help.
Yeah.
For me, it's that way with that guy.
Oh.
And, he's got more severe autism than I do or something like that. I don't know exactly
Mhm.
what it is. And, he gets hokey when he has to hear no. That's the problem. And I just,
Z, check if the camera issue, check on the top here. Make sure, see that camera icon there?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes in Chrome, that'll give me a warning. Make sure it's not off or disabled or something.
yeah.
Yeah, I just don't know why. It's,
And I guess I should have turned off my ad blocker, but I guess it's not affecting it. So
I actually couldn't
Yeah,
get in
there.
because I had I couldn't get in at first because I had no script running. It wouldn't let me in.
oh no, right, that'll definitely lock you out. Yeah,
All right.
yeah, which is what it's meant to do.
All right. Well, duh.
So there's the
Yeah, but at
chat.
least it looks pretty good though on screen, doesn't it? It looks
Yeah.
nice and tidy, and it looks good on YouTube.
Yeah, it looks really kind of professional for a free public beta.
And you were just saying, how are you going to record it? Surely you'll just set it up in OBS and record it there.
Yeah, obviously, I think YouTube is recording it on their server, I would imagine. And then I could do a local recording. Yes, I don't see why that wouldn't work. I haven't done that. This is just my first test. But I don't see why this would not work.
Pretty good.
Yeah. It looks pretty nice, actually. Yeah.
I've just got to work out why this camera doesn't work. And it's now also not seeing my other camera that I've just plugged in, an ordinary...
Z, are you in Chrome?
No, I'm on Firefox.
Try Chrome. Yeah, the Firefox in the past has given not just me, but some streaming issues. Yeah.
Not installed yet. So just a second, because this is literally
Okay.
Debian installed about 5 minutes ago.
Oh, it's a new one. Okay. Yeah.
I'm on Chromium, so and it's working.
Yeah.
fine.
For some reason, for Chrome, there's less issues than Firefox. I don't know why.
I just went and ripped Firefox out of my.
No, did you?
Yeah, it came. Well, I'm running Salient, so I had both. I
Okay.
just ripped it out.
Yeah. I tried Salient Gnostic, but it didn't play well with my Optimus hardware.
Well, for me, I'm treating it with kid gloves because I'm new to Linux. And I
Hear you,
do.
man. See, I have a gaming laptop, so I have 2 video cards inside mine, and ironically, it just works better with Ubuntu-based systems.
Hey, real quick, Z, did you check the settings at the bottom, like what you see here?
Yeah, that's what I've been trying to have a look
Okay.
at. So
I wasn't sure.
let me go to Chromium. I'm just there now.
Okay.
Hang on. Pop that into there.
So yeah, just a reminder, if you want to try this, you have to sign in with an email and tie it into your YouTube account, just to let you guys know, which not too crazy about, but it works. So
Oh, STS. I'm on a little dual core lampy, so I'm not. I mean, I could do stuff, but I don't have the power to run all these games and everything. So I run old DOS stuff anyway.
DOS programs, holy smokes.
Dude, I'm old enough to be your dad.
I'm 28.
I'm old enough to be your dad.
Yeah, I can imagine, Dustin.
I'm 56, dude.
Oh, wow. My dad's 62.
There's the Jitsi grid or something like it. I think it does this.
Yeah.
Not mistaken. Yeah. Let me add Z.
Yeah, no, it's got a dodgy. If the cam is just not, this is even with an ordinary. It must be something to do with Debian because this is my.
It has to be a Debian. Yeah.
This is my Logitech Brio that normally just works.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah,
it's
a Debian thing. But hey, it's here. It works. It's looking good.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah. I like this and I like Jitsi too. So yeah, this is nice. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
and I've not had a look at it yet. So is there any limitation as to the number of people you can have?
Yes, I believe I read a total of 6 for the free version.
Mm-hmm.
There are different paid options.
How long does it allow you to go for?
Okay, I thought I read right now for the free beta, it's a limited time.
Oh, nice.
Right. So I figure let's try it. Yeah. So
Zoom limits you to 40 minutes or something.
Yeah, because we are at the 42-minute mark. It hasn't stopped. So
excellent.
Yeah. No, it's definitely nice. I'll have to go back and look at their website again, look at the pricing, but this is really nice. I like the extra features here, different zoom options, layouts is pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
See here. More of a professional feel to it. I like the built-in chat here to the right, which is nice. I don't have to have the chat open on YouTube. Some more options here. Comments, banners. It's on the right here, but
can you get to the private chat?
Right there. Comments, banners. See if you see that here. Comments, banners, branding, private chat. There's the private chat right there. So
it's more expensive than Zoom.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, it's $20 a month.
Okay.
$20.
And I think Zoom is like 15 for the first tier.
Okay.
Yeah, 15 versus. If I was to start streaming again, I would probably do it on Zoom personally.
Banners. Yeah, there you go. You take a look at that banner there.
Yeah, exactly. This certainly seems to give you a lot more custom logos, custom overlays, custom backgrounds.
Yeah, and I guess they charge a little more, which is reasonable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And if you bill it annually, you can save $60.
Well, there you go.
That's not bad.
No, it's not bad at all. I like it. Like I said, it's still a beta, so I'll keep an eye on it, but I like it. Yeah.
And it certainly seems to be performing better than Jitsi.
Right now, it looks quite stable. Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's go. It's a 5-minute warning. If anybody else wants to say hello in the chat, have a question, do it now because I need to move on to my other part of the day. But this was nice. I like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's well worth it.
Yeah. So yeah, I believe the free version is up to 6 people max. Hang on, my phone's ringing.
Phone's ringing. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'm having a birthday party next week on my birthday on Tuesday.
Oh, happy.
Got a lot of people coming over so far.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not, you have a summer birthday, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to be 28. Yeah.
Right on.
All right, sorry, that was my dad calling from Italy.
No, you're fine, Tom.
So I had to take it. It's important. Anyway.
Mm.
All right.
Hey, hello, Dad in Italy.
So, yeah, he's fine. He's doing his thing, trying to get his movie promoted, doing still and the stuff. It's oh man, I hate the Hollywood politics. It sucks, but it is what it is. So
Oh my lord.
anyway, hello, Steven Anderson. I just saw you. Welcome.
Hello.
So this is approved by multiple YouTubers, myself,
Woo!
and I guess the rest of you.
Yeah,
Absolutely. This looks good.
of course.
I like it. Yeah, it's sharp. I'll have to send a thing to the young man who's part of this. I think he's got a YouTube channel. Tell him, hey man, great job. My dad,
Yeah.
is okay, Johan. Yes, he's doing fine.
For me, it just looks so much more professional than Jitsi.
Yes, it certainly does.
I gotta get some lunch. I haven't eaten a dang thing today.
We'll go eat because I'll be getting out off of this soon.
All right. Well, I'll see you guys later.
Okay,
All right.
All right,
Take
see you
care,
later.
but
So on Debian, where do you find out what's connected, like USB wise? Because I keep plugging my USB.
I'm trying to think. I haven't
webcam.
used Debian in a while. It's
There's nothing obvious in the settings. That's the problem.
See, I don't remember. I think I did
Mm.
it a couple years ago. I remember that it was fast. It's not for beginners. I do remember that. I don't remember.
Yeah, no, and I can't see anywhere obvious. So, and the silly thing is as well, there must be something wrong somewhere because not even GUVC is seeing it. And normally, GUVC sees everything.
Yeah, something's missing. Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, something's not
Let's
quite
see.
right.
Yeah,
That's why I backed away from straight Debian. It was too
yeah,
technical for me.
yeah. Debian is one of those. It's not as hard as Arch. I think it's easy to install, but it's one of those where you have to fiddle with it. And
Well,
yeah.
it comes with so little. That's why it just gives
Right.
you like a base XFCE desktop if that's what you chose,
yes, through the net installer. Yes,
and then you just got to put all your bits on there. So you got to add bits to the panel.
right. If you
Yeah.
have the time and know what you're doing, which I did for a while, but it was just too much. It was too much for me. Yeah, I don't want to do it every day. So yeah, but it
you're
was
right, yeah, it's
definitely
pretty quick.
stable. Yeah.
That was part of my issue moving over. Is what does this Krita? What is that? No, and then once you learn a little bit, there's still a lot in Linux that I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like
What-
you look
what's
through the
surprising for
repositories.
I don't know.
What's surprising for Debian is it's got the 419 kernel and the 418 NVIDIA drivers,
Hmm.
which is a lot better than it
Hello,
used to be.
Paul. Welcome. So I just saw you there. You just got home. Very good. Farron asked, "What movie it is again?" It's a movie. It's a movie that was shot in Italy. Farron, my dad, and his team. It's a true story about an Italian concentration camp that saved the lives of almost 4,000 Jews, based on a true story. It's an untold true story.
Bacon, bacon, bacon.
So yeah, the movie is called "The Cross and the Star," tentatively. So it tells the true story of a Catholic priest who never knew he was Jewish. And anyway, I don't want to give too much more of it away, but that's the movie.
Nice, sounds good.
Yeah, I posted a few teasers online here and there, but it's a beautiful movie. It's a wonderful story. It was funny because there's a rabbi who lives there. I showed her the movie back in May. It was the first time seeing it. My dad called. He says, "Hey, that rabbi called me. She was nice. She called me righteous." So my dad says, "What does that mean, and how do you spell it?" I said, "Dad, you did good." He says, "Oh, okay."
Serge left you something in the chat there.
Yeah, and I've just tried it, and it's really weird. It's seeing everything else Logitech except for this webcam, which is very strange.
Might have to go get Logitech drivers. Logitech is funky,
No, it's
even
a
on
webcam.
Windows. Even on Windows, it was funky.
Yeah, but it's a webcam. They should just work.
You would think. Obviously, there's probably a codec or something missing in the.
And yet it found my Elgato system, so it's found that okay.
Did you install the? It's buried in their website, the non-free codecs and all that.
Yeah, I had to put all that in to get the NVIDIA drivers on properly. So you go contrib non-free and then reassess it all.
Got it. Okay. All right. Other than that, see, at the top of my head, I don't know. Yeah, probably
No, yeah.
with it I could figure, but I don't. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So.
Yeah. I'll have a play with it, or I'll go back to Q4 OS, which is also Debian 10, and much better out of the box.
Okay. Sounds good.
I know you're going to end soon, Carmine. Anyway, I got to jump out and head early to an appointment. I will see you guys later.
Yeah, I'll catch you next time, CJ.
All right.
Thank
All
you.
right, CJ.
Take care. Bye, guys.
It sounds like a good time then, Toss, because I've got to go as well. So
Okay. I'll
see why all this is not working.
Well, it was nice to do this. This was just a random thing. I had some time, so it looks nice. It looks very professional.
And by the time you finish with it and put all your little banners on there and work out your news banners and all the rest of it,
really,
pretty professional, I think.
I think so. Yeah, I'll have to play with this some more, but I'll keep Jitsi in the background too. Why not? So I have a feeling YouTube or Google may announce something soon, though, to replace Hangouts.
I would hope so, because it's so easy to just go, Google Hangout, send it to YouTube, and away you go.
Right. It's one of those things where it just works. It's not as fancy as this, but it just works. So why not have something similar, right? Yeah. All right. Well, if that's it for the people in the chat, I think I will end this here. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. And Z, when are you going to do that review of that exclusive laptop?
Probably on Destination Linux next week. I've got to write it all up first. Unfortunately, I had to take the laptop back today, so I only had the weekend to play with it.
Okay.
It was only a prototype as well, so there are still a few bits and pieces to finish off with. But $200,
yes,
astonishing.
Yeah. No, if it works,
Seriously.
if it works the way it should, like a Chromebook, meaning that it's low maintenance and zero bugs, absolutely, it's a bargain.
Yeah. And for me, it works better than a Chromebook because it's more than just Chrome.
Very good.
It's it's a full Linux distribution that you can do stuff with.
Yeah.
So,
And it's
there was
based off
nothing
of what? Which Linux? What's it based off?
well, it had a Mate version. But that's not the Ubuntu Mate. That's just something that they put on there.
I see.
And then they had their own in-house, again, based upon Ubuntu with just things that they were putting together. But because it's based on the architecture that it is, they're hoping that the community in Debian will pick it up and create one, and the Arch community will create one, etc., etc., etc. It's just like working with the Pi 4. Only slightly different with different processors and all that lot. So, but yeah, I mean, for what it was and for what I needed to do over the weekend, it worked flawlessly. And for a prototype, wow, I was impressed.
Very good. Awesome.
Yeah. So
we definitely need something like that. Yeah, absolutely.
There'll be a fuller review. And as I say, for $200,
awesome.
Shockingly good value.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Z, thank you. Thank you, everybody here. Everybody watching this. If you missed any of this, as usual, you should be able to replay this on YouTube. I don't think this interrupts anything. At least I don't think so on the replay.
Take care, Josh.
All right. Listen, everybody, have a good day and night. I'll catch you next time.
Bye.
Take care, Paul. Bye.
Bye.